6 minus 1 equals 5. 17 times 5 equals 85, and 85 divided by 85 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division, a multiplication and a subtraction operator present, and we also have parentheses present here. So according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 6 minus 1, that gives us 5. Our expression simplifies to 85 divided by 17 times 5. Now we have division and multiplication operator present, and according to the rules they have equal level of priority, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. 85 divided by 17, that equals 5, and finally 5 times 5, that equals 25, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.